Hello, good morning. Today in this video I shall describe the linear differential equation. A differential equation, a differential equation of the form dy by dx plus py is equal to q, where this p and q are functions of x or constant, is known as a linear differential equation. Differential equation. Functions of x or constant, meaning thereby p and q will not contain any expression of y. P and q will be consisted of either the function of x or certain constant. Similarly we have dx by dy plus px is equal to q, where p and q are functions of y or constant. Are also known as a linear differential equation. Linear differential equation either of this type or of this type. The two are the linear differential equation. Here p and q are functions of x or constant. Here p and q are the functions of y or constant. So as we proceed for this type of linear differential equation, similarly we can proceed for this linear differential equation to solve it. Right? Now I shall explain how to find the solution of this differential equation. Then consider the differential equation. Consider this equation. There is an integrating factor, IF, integrating factor. Integrating factor, and this is e to the power integral p dx. Whatever p be here, the coefficient of y, we write here, we integrate it. What comes, that is the integrating factor. And how do we write the solution? We write the solution as y into integrating factor is equal to integral of q into integrating factor into dx. So we have to perform this integral only. Left hand side will be y into integrating factor. What do we mean by the integrating factor? You see, such factor when which be multiplied on the either side makes the side to be in the exact form which can be integrated directly. So such factor is integrating factor, and in this type of equation integrating factor is e to the power integral p dx. And always we have the solution y into integrating factor is integral of q into integrating factor into dx. One illustrative example that I am going to describe here. Suppose we have 1 plus x square dy by dx plus 2xy is equal to 1 divided by 1 plus x square. You see, this equation can be reduced to the linear form dy by dx plus py. What is p? 2x divided by 1 plus x square. Y is equal to 1 divided by 1 plus x square whole square. It is in the form of dy by dx plus py is equal to q. Here we have p is 2x divided by 1 plus x square, and what is q? Q is 1 divided by 1 plus x square whole square. Integrating factor is e to the power integral p dx. So it is e to the power integral, what p we have, you write here, 2x e to the power log 1 plus x square. So it is 1 plus x square. It is 1 plus x square. So this, we know that e and log under the same base e, the two are the inverse of each other. So the composite of the two becomes an identity function, and ix is equal to x. So we have this, and hence the solution of the differential equation is, hence the solution is y into integrating factor 1 plus x square. You see, y into if is 1 plus x square is equal to q. What is q? 1 divided by 1 plus x square whole square into integrating factor, that is 1 plus x square into dx. So this is how we integrate, how we find the solution. It remains to integrate this function. So the equation is reduced in the form of dy by dx plus py is equal to q. P is the coefficient of y, q is this term. So integrating factor is e to the power integral p dx, e to the power 2x divided by 1 plus x square dx. The derivative of denominator is present in numerator, so log of the denominator is there. E and log, the two are composited, giving us the identity function, so that gives 1 plus x square. So integrating factor is 1 plus x square, and hence the solution is y into integrating factor is q into integrating factor into dx. Now integrate that part. So cancel it, and we have y into 1 plus x square is equal to integral of 1 divided by 1 plus x square dx, and we know that its integral is tan inverse x. So it is tan inverse x plus a constant of integration c. So this is the solution of the differential equation. Okay, this much for this video. Thank you.